AI isn't the future of business, it's already replacing entire teams. Most businesses are held back by slow processes, expensive marketing, and unpredictable outcomes. AI changes everything, redefining lead generation, customer support, sales, content, and analytics into a single, intelligent growth engine. At Stradimark, we build custom AI systems designed specifically for your business, not generic tools everyone else uses. Our clients save time, reduce costs, and scale faster by using AI-powered strategies that streamline operations, improve decision-making, and drive measurable, sustainable business growth across every part of their organization. If you want AI working for you, not against you, Stradimark is your agency. Visit us and transform your business.